Top of the morning, guys, top of the morning. A beautiful morning this morning, and I'm around by Wiki Waki. I just leave the bait spot a while ago. I catch some bait, about 9 bait. I didn't worry to keep them alive because I'm going to do some snapper fishing today. Also, I'm going to try to catch a snook. The reason why I'm going to try to catch a snook, or I want to catch snook, so every time I come here I want to catch a snook, but today my main reason for catching a snook, I'm going to try hard to catch that snook. So do a catch and cook on that snook. Because them guys been saying that, abroad mostly, been saying that the snook skin tastes like soap. I don't know if it tastes like soap or not, because I never eat soap before. Apart from when I bait, like a soap touch on my lip, and it might taste a little bitter taste, like that's as far as I can remember. It might taste a little bitter, a bitter taste, right? And I'm gonna do that now and show you guys. I'm gonna catch a snook today, fry it up or cook it up, anything that I can eat the skin, and give you guys my honest opinion on what the skin tastes like and what the snook tastes like with the skin on. So I'm around by Wiki Waki here, setting the line right now. I just set out the line, see it here right here. A good little while now, still it out there, but I don't feel anything yet, nothing at all, hold it as yet. I don't even get a bounce yet, so I don't even know if to snap them out there. But if they're not out there, then definitely I'm going to try and see if I can go and cast and catch a snook. I might catch a snook still, you know, because you know me and the snook them already, you know. I have luck with them already. So I'll spend a little time right here, so maybe an hour or two. Try off of the snapper them first. I'll put bait out, put up one of the toffee and put him out. I still have a few sprat. It's about 9 weight I get, you know. I never get much. I'm going to see if I can put on a piece of sprat. That's what I can do. As I put on the toffee and not getting a bounce. So sometimes the fish them choose what bait they want, you know. Yeah. So if the toffee don't work, try the sprat. If the sprat don't work, try the bang. I only have one bang. Anyhow, people, stay with me today, alright? Stay tuned. We have a lot in store for you today. Let's hope that I catch a snook. Alright, so put on the sprat. Test out the sprat now and see if the sprat down there. I've been trying toffee for a morning, so I don't know. The sprat might make a difference. Because as I said, you have to try different kind of bait. Sometimes they don't want the toffee, but they want the sprat. Sometimes they don't want the sprat, they want the bang. So this is the sprat now. I've thrown the toffee 2 times. And one time it eat off, another time it come back. And I throw the sprat now and see if they want the sprat instead. Alright, so just try and try. There's a lot of trial and error to do right now. Trial and error. Yeah, we're just trying all the different type of bait we have here, right? I don't have any shrimp, so I can't try that. I don't have any other bait but the 3 species of fish: bang, sprat, and toffee. So you know, I get a run a while ago, people. I tell you, you know, the thing pull over the rod so hard, you know, man. I tell you, just sprat them want, you know. The thing pull over the rod so hard a while ago, and I've set the hook. And to start with the fish, you feel it just loose up. So I wonder if you cut off the hook, or what could have go wrong, you know? No, it's still on it, so that means, neck back, you never swallow the thing, man. You never swallow the thing, eh? Good pull long that, you know. Sure, man. tell you, man. I'm good pull long we get, you know. I'm gonna mess with it. Alright, go on. Alright, I see pick some fish troubling it, you know. They're picking it, but they're not swallowing it. Come swallow it up and let me see now. Oh my, they must have gone with it. Come on. So what we're seeing here, guys, catch a juvenile snapper. See him there, see him was pulling down the line. See him there, like about 5 inches. Juvenile, eh? So I'm gonna try, take out the hook and release it, eh? Keep your people, nice little snapper still, but him on my size, you know? See him there, baby. Come little fish, come. Go on your ways. Don't come back. Come show me this. I'm gone. Alright. I want something bigger than that, man. The little snapper then I'm gonna make it at all. I want something bigger than that, alright? Put on another piece of sprat bait. Because a sprat, you take up on it, I tell you say no. Put on another piece of sprat bait. I tell you, you know that if you use stuff and it not working, you try sprat, you know. Because sometimes they want a different type of bait, you know. And see there, sprat. I'll sprat it like and put on. As I said, maybe it's because I don't have any circle, because I don't have any more. I'm going to have to order some. I'm going to probably have to order some circle, you know. Alright, so put it out again and wait again for another big snapper. Alright, so let's see how it go now. Sometimes the weed upon it, you know, it's because the weed upon it, the fish them can't get to swallow the thing, you know. Them try to pick around and pick the bait out of the weed. Maybe that is what is happening right now. So I'm try another piece. Another piece of it. Sprat again. Piece of sprat here. I got like a piece of sprat. I'll talk to you now. It's a sprat this. Sprat here for the yellow one. Yeah. One more piece I'm going to try and see. And then I'm going to take up and move and go down so I can catch a snook. Just one more piece of this I'm sitting on. Fish on again, fish on. You see that, brother? Nice! Fish on, brother, fish on! Come here! Come here, man. Come here. I don't want to come. Go on, like, who you be? What you mean? Lane snapping, you know. See the people? Lane snapper. This one is how much it. Watch it. You have to measure him, you know, because you say you take the thing hard, brother. Take it hard, you know. Alright, this is how much now. There, put this in the wall of this thing. Alright, so how much inches lane this thing? There's a keeper lane. Alright, whoa. Wait. So that's 10.5 inches. Alright guys. 10.5 inches, man. See there, lane snapper. So catch a snapper. So I'll put him in the box. Go down in the box, please. I know, so I see him kind of rough water, I catch him in there too. The lane snapper, they like the rough water. Alright, number one. right there, I got hit that same spot. Don't know if I did something like that, but put him at a spot there, right out there. Alright. Setting for snappers. I go on a cast for snook. I take a little break and I go cast for snook, but I never feel any snook, so I come back and start to set out again. And then I buck up Darren and then Darren come join me. And then Darren, yeah. My bones. What kind of fish that, Darren? What kind of fish? Like a snapper, don't feel like a snapper. A circle you have on, so. Hold him, Darren, hold him. Snapper! Yes!
Me,
see the people?
Sean!
Sean every time, you know, man, I tell you, it's
all the time.
Go on, hold him up. Alright. See the people? Nice one. Mangrove snapper. Yes, mangrove, Darren, mangrove this now. Yes, peeps. Me and Darren up on a mangrove thing, you know, see that? All over Darren, fish on every time.
Nice
Darren.
fish.
Nice one, man. Now we put it, we measure for the people. Now measure for the people, right there? Alright. See me now, people? Come on, measure him up. 11 and a half, man. 11 and a half, people. See that? Yeah. Better that way there? Yeah? Alright. Fish on every time. Alright, so I'm going to put on pilchards, you know. That's what I use still as a cut bait, you know. Tough for them call it a pilchards, you know, but whatever them call it, you know. That work. If I use catch a fish, you know. Alright, so let's put it like that. And cut that one, I do. Like we shouldn't bother putting in that tree. Kind of small, kind of small still. Huh? Yeah, in that corner I'm out. I try a circle up. Yeah, no, I say. Should allow it, man, we can take it fully. Put him back out the same way. Alright? Yeah. Nah, turn me back to the water. Now back up. Because every time I turn my back to this water, it's wetting me up. Yes, Darren, fish on again. A nice one this again, you know. Come on, Darren, I go on well, man. Nice snapper, Darren. Alright, Jack. No snapper. Oh, whitey.
You can call a snapper this.
No. A mangrove. Let's go do. Darren, you go on well, little man. Got one.
I'm a Kim.
I said, go off it out, man. People. Yeah, nice. Enough of this again for Darren. I'll wash him off. I'll release him, yeah? I'll release him. Alright, people, see him there? Nice one. Nice number for Darren. We can measure him now again and see. That one I look like him about. I bought my rod in my hand, then I change my bait, you know. And Darren will pick up on us, see that? 11 inches, Darren. That one a bigger. No, 11. Yeah, 11 inches, people. See there? Nice one.
Mario came and fling it. I'm flinging back the bait out there now.
Yeah. Nice one. 11 inches there. Nice one. Past 10 inches long time, so you know, so I do that again. Darren, yeah, pull up the igloo there though. Alright, brother, how you that? Yes, man, mangrove supper time. Yeah, so. There's Darren, put him out, Darren, put him out. Yeah, man, so Darren a throw team brother now. Alright, out there, alright, out there. Yeah. Good show. Right in the brown water. Like kind of like a brown, see like a brown spot there?
Yeah.
And that the mean I look like. Yeah. Good. Alright people, so here we soon come back again, you know. I'll come back on the hook up again. I don't know if I don't hook up this time or me, but anybody, I saw it go. So we say fish on every time. Me? I hope so, you know. Alright, let me say it go now. Soon come back here, people. I'll come back on the hook up again, alright? So boy, we're gonna wrap it up now, you know. I'll wrap up snapper fishing now, so we might do some casting. Remember, you know, I'm gonna get the snook here for do the catch and cook, you know. So we're gonna try to search for the snook a little more from now. But the cut bait finished now, so I'll wrap up snapper fishing. We catch a few snappers there. Darren mashed me up today, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, man.
Yeah. The man get 4 runs and get 2 out of it. And me only get 1 run and get the 1. I said gonna, yeah, the 1 run we get since we come back out here, so. So he mashed me up today now. We still have on 2 pieces of bait out there, the last bait, so. He won't get a run, man. He won't get a run before we even pack up. Yeah, but you know, sir, that's how it goes still, you know. So we are gonna go up on the snook hunt later on. Find the snook now for cook, so stay tuned, alright? So one of them days we are cook them for the seaside there, you know. Yeah, man, we are do a catch and cook right here, so. But it's kind of late now, so we don't know what with that right now. So one day we are going to prepare and do it right here, so. I want to say people, tell me in the comments below if you don't want to see that, you know. And I want to see a catch and cook snapper right on the beach right here. Tell me, what do you think? Darren?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Tell me what you think if that make that sound good, you know? Yeah, man. I'm soon finishing now, because I have 2, so I can't finish now. I'll go on the snook hunting later on now though, so I don't know. Alright peeps, so I'll just clean them up, put them up and then get out of here and go on the snook hunting. So we'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, so guess what now? Let me now get the snook now. Let me now get the snook at all for cook up. At all. So yeah, I forgot thing now, you know. I'm gonna stick to the snapper. The snapper I'm gonna catch around so. Yeah, now I get the snook. I see that now I can't out the whole sea, the whole areas that we know stuff that hang around and now find nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. No snook. So we have to put off that taste test catch and cook till the next time. Get what I say? Yeah, I'm going to put off that till the next time. Yeah, so I enjoyed myself today, you know. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't bad today at all. Even though I didn't catch much fish and one snapper and Darren catch 2. Still enjoyed the day. It was a good day out, you know. So vacation trip today or tomorrow, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, press the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a video. Alright, so take care and God bless, and we'll see you guys in the next one.